It was the home of your grandparents and their grandparents before them. It was my job as chief to protect us, Hiccup. And one day, when you're all grown up, that job will be passed on to you.
Okay.
It was very important, son, because out there, beyond the sunset, lies the home of the dragons. Not just a nest, Hiccup, but a land from which all dragons come.
If you left me alone, you locked yourself in the bathroom.
One day I'll find the hidden world and seal it up, so that people and dragons will fight no more.
Can you hear me screaming, please don't leave me? Hold on, I still want you.
Night Furies?
Especially Night Furies.
Come back, I still need you.
Those are scary.
Take it, I'll make it right. I swear to love you all my life. Hold on, I still need you.
Get away!
Long
No one's more surprised.
Silent beside
More
me.
surprised.
Driving a nightmare I can't escape
Today,
from.
my boy becomes a
Helpless
Viking.
praying, the light
Today,
isn't fading.
he becomes
Hiding
one
in
of
the
us!
shower in the chill of my bones. Took you
I brought you something.
on table.
to keep you safe.
If something goes wrong, just make sure they don't find
Pull
you.
you in to feel your heartbeat.
Promise me it won't go wrong.
Guys, just keep your helmets on. Toothless and I will try.
Toothless has the light fury now. He's probably not even coming back.
What?
You gave him his freedom, Hiccup. What were you
Come
expecting?
back,
I never saw you stay away for good. Look, I'll figure it out. I just need more time.
I'll make you right. I swear to love you all my life. Hold on, I still need you. I don't wanna let go.
And we've killed thousands of
I
them.
know I'm not that strong.
Promise you
I just
can't
wanna
win this
hear you
one.
saying,
No.
baby, let's go
Please just listen to
home.
me.
Let's go home.
You load it with them.
Yeah, I just wanna take you home.
You're not my son. Finally, I've something to talk about.
Hold on, I still want you.
Safe.
Come back, I still need you.